Hello guys, quick update. Pune rains are here already. Luckily it is bright today, but otherwise it's drizzling all day every day for last 7-8 days. And honestly, I am not mad about it, except when my jeans get wet from bottom. So lately I have been living in these midi dresses. They are light, comfy and they do not drag through puddles. So I did little Myntra scroll as usual and picked up bunch of solid casual midi dresses that are perfect for this weather. Thought I would show you how they look, how I would style them, and little chat through what I like and don't like about each piece. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so starting this haul with this one from Varanga. It is a sand color A-line dress, which is very neutral, very easy to style. It has this beautiful Hawaiian style shirt collar, rolled up short sleeves, and it has this pleat at the front, which is giving a beautiful flare at the bottom. So this one is super comfortable dress, perfect for running errands, staying at home, for school runs. It is made in viscose rayon fabric, so it is super lightweight and comfortable on skin. But this one can work great for office also. Just throw on a belt to define the waist and it will instantly look more polished. Otherwise, wear it loose for that relaxed look. Its length is also perfect. It is just below the knees. For that office wear look, I styled it with these gold hoops, bracelet, my black heels and black structured bag. This one is from brand Dora Dori. Before getting into styling details, confession time. I have ordered my usual large size, which you can see is tight for me. For this style, loose will look better. So if you anytime you plan to order this, please size up. This dress has clean structured vibe. It's cotton but gives linen look, which I love. It has puff sleeves, full front buttons, which you can open actually, and two pockets. I love this detail. But the highlight of this dress is this double stitch detail all over, which kind of remind me of denim. It gives this dress casual, cool vibe. This contrast double flat stitch is also creating yoke effect at the front, even at the back. This dress also has these two pocket flaps. These are not actual pockets, just the flaps to create illusion of pockets. So it shows the design sophistication of this dress. I kept styling really simple with these silver studs, my silver bracelet and black heels. This dress is perfect for shopping spree, any casual day, on vacation, or even when you want to look put together without putting in too much effort. This next one is from brand Roadster. It is a cute purple midi dress. It has these beautiful short puff sleeves, this round neckline. It has this drop waist kind of a style with this tiered hem and flare. It is super comfy, super cute to wear all day. There are these little shirt buttons in matching color at the front, which comes till this tiered hemline, which is a very nice touch. This dress is made in 100% polyester fabric, which is very good for this season. Imesh showed a fabric belt in this dress, but I didn't receive it. Though you can clearly see these loops here, but no regret for lounging at home. Actually, I like it like this, loose and relaxed fit. But if I want to give it more structure, I just style it with this white robe belt from another dress and it instantly looks more polished. This dress is great for staying at home or for casual lunch or coffee or even for running errands. So I kept the jewelry minimal with these pearl hoops and my white block heels, and that's it. My look is ready. Okay, listen. This one is from brand Moda Rapido, and I purchased this because of the price of rupees 359. That's basically a coffee or a snack these days. Can you believe it is made in pure cotton fabric, which means it is super comfy and 100% breathable. It has this cute pinkish maroon color and these white stripes are there. Basically, it is a textured fabric, very chill everyday vibe. It has this mandarin collar with front buttons, 3/4 sleeves, fit and flare shape with little gathers at the waist. It is just below the knees, perfect length for this weather. I kept the styling simple with these pearl hoops, silver bracelet, and my new must harbor heels. It is just a clean, effortless look which you can wear for brunches, for running errands, or just staying at home. It still look kind of cute. This beautiful burgundy dress is from brand Roadster and it's got that ribbed texture that look kind of little more put together but still super chill. The fabric is soft and not clingy at all. Especially it is perfect for this weather. It's got a V neckline, short sleeves, and it has this wrap pattern at the front. It is not the actual wrap dress, and it has got this tiered hem which gives it a nice shape and fall. And yes, it has two pockets. I don't know why all the dresses don't come with pockets by default. I styled this dress with these gold and pearl hoops, this gold bracelet, and my Carlton London black heels. Honestly, this is a kind of dress which you want to pull out when you are short on time and you still want to look put together. No effort, no drama, but it still works. I am going to wear this on repeat. Getting into the slightly dressier zone now. Currently, I am obsessed with white dresses, and this one is from brand Styly. It is a simple white tiered midi dress. But what makes this dress special? Chiffly design on the sleeves and hemline. Just that nice little textured detail makes it feel more special. This dress has A-line shape with this tiered flare and it has full buttons at the front and it has this mandarin collar. Again, this is slightly tight for me, so I have to size up in this as well. This dress has these 3/4 puff sleeves with this chiffly detail and I love these pin tuck details at the front. The length of this dress is till calf, which works great for this slightly casual, slightly dressier look. Again, I styled this dress with simple minimal jewelry, this pearl and gold hoops, gold bracelet and my new white block heels. This one is perfect if you have got a lunch scene, a chilled out family thing, or you just want to look cute on a random day. Last dress from the haul. This one is from brand Tulsattva and it's just one of those pieces which looks more put together without being too much. The fabric is cotton with this beautiful nice lace texture and it is fully lined, so no see-through drama. This dress has got this mandarin collar with the front button detail. It has got this 3/4 bishop sleeves. Look how beautiful these sleeves are and they have played with different textures. You can see the different texture on the sleeves. What I really liked in the detailing is this lace trimming which is around the button on the sleeves. Even this belt is made up with the same lace. It just feels so thoughtful, like they have actually paid attention while designing it. I styled again this dress with the same jewelry, pearl and golden hoops, gold bracelet because it is going with this dress also, and again my must Harbor white block heels, and you can see the complete look. This one is really classic, beautiful piece which will stay in your wardrobe for really long time. You can wear this for brunches, catching up with friends, or for a dinner date. You can wear this on repeat. And that's it for today's haul. These midi dresses are casual, some are dressier, which you can wear on repeat. No fuss, no drama, easy, clean, everyday wear. Tell me in the comments which one was your vibe and what you want to see next. Bye till then. See you soon with another styling story.